Hey all VIT Triple E aspirants, this is a very extremely important video regarding the slot booking. So finally the date is somewhere very near. Our application date is now gonna close tomorrow 12th April, and somewhere around this date only, somewhere this time, your slot booking is gonna start. So there is a very important update so that I'm gonna share with you in this video. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe it. And also our target is to reach 200 plus likes if you really want us to continue with our VIT Triple E practice series. So remember that here is this the most important update, which is that it can be expected anytime soon. This is the deadline that we have already covered, and here is the OTBS portal through which the slot booking process would be done, opening very soon. It can go live even today. It is totally unpredictable, uncertain as and when the slot booking is going to start, because here is what the deadline was extended, and it is also this is also gonna close very soon. And what is the rule for OTBS? See, first come first serve. We have already discussed this, and remember that if you are booking it very early, so you can get your best slot as per your preference. See, remember that once the slot has been booked, it cannot be changed. No further changes are allowed. And for the admit card, so will the admit card be generated only after the slot has been booked? Yes, definitely generated immediately once you have booked the slot, or within the 48 hours of time frame. Remember that it could take 48 hours if it is not generated instantly. What if you don't book your slot? What is going to happen? See, slot will be automatically assigned to you, so you can get any random slot, and here that will be kind of very painful thing for you, that you are not getting the slot of your preference, right? Because you have actually taken it very casually. It was totally your irresponsibility, and obviously you cannot blame administration for your irresponsibility, right? Because you took it casually. So yes, sometimes auto like if you have supposedly if it is not also auto assigned, if you have not done it, so what can happen? Sometimes auto this admit cards will also not get generated, and obviously you won't be able to attempt VIT Triple E examination. That is why slot booking is very important. So do it at earliest if you want the slot of your choice, and try to do it at earliest so that you do not miss out on this important process. Exam dates are 28th April to 3rd of May. So in between, book these slots, whatever is your preference regarding the best slot. And the slot booking we have already covered, already brought videos on our channel Crack VIT, so do watch them. What is the pro tip? So book your slot on day 1 itself, morning itself, to secure best date plus shift. This is the most important thing that you are supposed to do. Whatever slot, whatever shift you want, whatever date you want, try to book it at earliest, because whatever the choices student are gonna fill, slots will get immediately booked. So that is why just be on your toes and complete this process. Very important for your VIT Triple E preparation. And yes, if you really want to boost your VIT Triple E preparation in these last 15-16 days, I'm telling you the most important and most relevant resource, which is our VIT Triple E crash course. In this, complete syllabus is being done, complete revision is being done. We are also providing mock test also. There are the recorded lectures which you can actually complete the entire syllabus very quickly in less than very like 15 days. So in this limited time also you can do wonders. Also complete syllabus, you can revise, you can attempt mock test. Also you are getting short notes for quick revision and question practice. So this is the ultimate resource. This have been previously trusted by VIT Triple E toppers themselves. Visit our website 10qchallenge.in right now. Below in the description box, complete details, procedure for enrollment have been provided. Course fees is very nominal, just 5,500 rupees. And after this, we are also providing special discount of rupees 2,000 off, after which it is very economical, just 3,500 rupees. A small investment in your education can actually help you in boosting your VIT Triple E course right now. So go fast and avail the coupon code. Remember, it is valid just for today, so do not miss out on this golden opportunity. If you have any course related query, you can call us at this number. So take the exam seriously, take the slot booking process seriously, and Start your boost your preparation from today itself with our VIT EEE crash course. Complete details are provided below in the description box. With this, I will sign off. तब तक ले जय हिंद. Thank you. God bless.